I honestly thought Vmake AI was going to save me from opening Photoshop ever again. That lasted about 15 minutes. Then something happened that completely changed my opinion. I wasn't disappointed, but I definitely wasn't expecting the result I got. So I stopped looking at the marketing page and tested it the way most people actually would. I uploaded blurry product photos, old social media images, a couple of portraits, and even some low resolution thumbnails. I wanted to know one thing: could this actually replace the editor I use every day? The setup couldn't have been much easier. Drag the image in, choose what you want to fix, and let the AI do its thing. No complicated settings, no learning curve. Within a minute, I already had my first result, and honestly, it looked better than I expected. Then I started getting a little more aggressive with my tests. I tried heavily compressed images and product photos that honestly looked terrible. Some came back looking surprisingly clean. Others looked a little too smooth, almost like the AI was guessing instead of restoring details. That's when I realized this tool has limits, and most reviews don't really talk about that. The feature that kept pulling me back was the background replacement. For product photos and e-commerce listings, it was ridiculously fast. Instead of spending 20 minutes masking an object, I was done in a couple of clicks. If you're selling products online, that's a huge time saver. But here's the part that surprised me the most: I still opened Photoshop afterward. Not because Vmake AI failed, because I wanted those last 5% of refinements that only a full photo editor gives you. That's a big difference. Vmake AI didn't replace my editor, it replaced the boring part of editing. Pricing makes a lot more sense if you're editing photos every day. If you're running an online store, managing client images, or creating content constantly, the time savings can easily justify it. If you only edit a few photos each month, you may not get enough value from a paid plan. So, can Vmake AI replace your photo editor? For most people, I'd say no. And honestly, that's okay. It was never trying to be Photoshop. It's trying to remove the repetitive work so you can spend your time on the creative part. That's exactly where I think it succeeds. If this review helps you make a smarter decision, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.